Well guys, something new, a video from my latest cruise. I am heading to Europe and I stopped at King's Wharf in Bermuda, and there it was, the Norwegian Prima, and I was able to capture a nice flight and some good images. So for now, just enjoy this one and we'll see you at the end of the video. Take care. Well guys, this is the video for today. I have one more from King's Wharf. I have the Celebrity Edge. That is the ship that I am currently on. So hopefully I will be back in the United States, but first I will be doing some more filming on my next stops and also on Barcelona. So Barcelona is one of the places that I love to visit, and there you will see again more yachts and super yachts. So for now, thanks for watching, and I will see you pretty soon with another video. Take care.